Are you looking to raise capital for your real estate project or business? For the first time in history, the Jobs Act has created an enormous opportunity to help individuals raise capital without the huge expense of a public offering. What used to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars can be achieved at a fraction of the cost. Unfortunately, the world can seem like an unwieldy and impossibly regulated place for those raising money from friends and family to broker-dealers and venture capitalists. The advent of crowdfunding has added even more confusion to the mix, which is like looking for a needle in a haystack of needles. Our new Real Investors Now platform is here to minimize your risks and costs associated with raising capital. We build you your own exclusive, automated, compliant investment portal. Next, we market your project through our investor-specific media channels with over 8 million eyes. Why Real Investors Now? We are exclusive, compliant, automated, and again, 8 million eyes waiting. This is the most cost-effective and efficient way to get your project funded and fast. See what all the talk is about and inquire today by calling 888-737-2699. That's 888-737-2699, or simply complete the short form below. Thank you for stopping by and welcome to Real Investors Now.